Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel, Talking Items. We have a special unboxing today, a brand new pistol by Smith & Wesson, the M&P 9mm 2.0. Let's go ahead and begin. Picked up another display model early this morning. The gun bar had the exact model and color I wanted. Of course, it came with its own funny green colored chamber lock. And as you can see, the pistol is empty and safe to field strip, or so you can lock up your gun as shown here. The pistol also comes with an empty chamber flag. You can use these if you like when storing your firearm. As for the color, I chose the dark earth, so it can match with the 1022 project I'm working on right now. You have your slide here, made of a stainless steel chassis, sports an arm and knife finish, and has some nice serrations for a firmer slide. As for the polymer front portion, a convenient rail is available for your laser or flashlight. The serial number is above the rail here. The mag release has a similar aggressive texture as the grip. Let's go ahead and see how much spring action this gun has when releasing the magazine. Nice, easy, smooth drop. We'll come back to this in a bit and take them apart. In the meantime, let's take a gander at the trigger here. Quite some free play before it gets tense. Has a nice crisp feel. As for the reset, it is audible. The trigger guard is made of polymer and feels very durable. As for the iron sights it came with, they are white dotted and adjustable. You have the cartridge designation stamped here on the barrel lug. This one is chambered for 9mm ammo. Another cool feature this pistol has is interchangeable palm swells. The texture is very rough, almost sandpaper-like. There's some folks who are put off by this rough texture. In order to change them, you would have to twist and yank out the frame tool here. Cool nifty piece of hardware. I'm always intrigued by firearms that are equipped with its own tools. Simply slide out the grip. Now, I myself love these grips, especially the largest size here. I feel very confident and in control of the firearm when the extra large palm well is installed. Although I'm a tad weirded out at the beaver tail the larger sizes have sticking out at the top. But it's just a minor cosmetic issue. Besides, it comes with many size options, so I'm sure folks will find this feature very accommodating. After you've installed your preferred grip, reinsert the frame tool so it can lock into place. Time to see what the magazine assembly consists of. They are made of steel, hold 17 bullets, and have neat little cartridge indicators to inform how many rounds are left. To take them apart, pick up your frame tool and press down on the floor plate catch. Slide out the floor plate while pressing down on the spring. And now we have a nice view of the follower. Pretty neat design having a floor catch that is attached to the spring this way. Nothing more to show here, so let's put everything back into the magazine tube. Make sure the follower is placed in the right position. Once you have a good hold on your spring, slide over the floor plate until it is caught by the plate catch. Nice detail with the brand logo here. Let's play with the safety a bit and start demonstrating the Fieldstrip. Again, make sure the magazine is out and the chamber is emptied before you engage the slide lock. Grab your frame tool and locate the green-coated sear deactivation lever. Push this lever into the lowered position. Should be fairly easy to do. Once the lever is down, rotate the takedown lever like so. If done correctly, the slide should be able to come off once you disengage the slide stop. There's another way of doing this by just simply pulling the trigger, but I'm doing the more safer route right now. The next step is taking out the recoil spring guide assembly and barrel. It should be easy to slide out, and bam, you have Fieldstrip the weapon. Let's look at some of the features the chassis carries that I've missed earlier before. Got a sleek, loaded chamber indicator. The little sliver of metal here pretty much pops up whenever a round is in the chamber. Here's a closer look at the muzzle portion of the slide. Now, I won't get into that much detail regarding the striker fire assembly, since there really is no need to take it apart right now. As for the barrel, let's get a closer look at the groove twists inside. Really neat. Here's the barrel lug on top of the hardware, and the recoil spring assembly. We will do a more in-depth demonstration with the components around the trigger guard when we clean the entire pistol someday. For now, let's reassemble the 2.0 and have it ready for the range. But first, gonna go ahead and label out the spread you have in front of you. We ended up with a green gun block, owner's manual, recycled cardboard box, actually 40% recycled, a chamber flag, 2 17-round magazines, the barrel, recoil spring assembly, slide, polymer trigger guard and housing, 4 interchangeable grips, and your frame tool. Back to the assembly. Insert the barrel into the muzzle section of the slide with the lug facing upwards. Once that is done, insert the spring assembly, making sure the spring is aligned and correctly seated. After this step, align the slide slots with the frame rails and while holding down the slide stop, rack the slide and lock like so. Rotate the takedown lever back into its original position. Now, although I placed the sear deactivation lever into the upper position, the instructions never seem to instruct you to do so. After everything is assembled, make sure the safety, trigger, and reset are functioning properly. All done with the demonstration. Thanks a bunch y'all for checking out our channel. Hope some of this info helps in any way. As for range footage, I have finally been able to test out these firearms the past week and will be showing clips paired alongside a few cleaning videos. In the meantime, have a great day, be careful during these troubling times, and as always, safe shooting.